Hey y'all! This is a very special episode of Hey Y'all today.
Yes, we are heading to Natchitoches, Louisiana to celebrate the 30th anniversary of Steel Magnolias.
To visit the Steel Magnolias bed and breakfast, which is where they filmed most of the movie.
Yes, so we're going rogue. We have no producers. We're going off grid.
They send us all by ourselves with no supervision.
So good luck to everyone watching this.
It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, we're going to take you guys along. Listen, don't judge me, okay? It's a one-night road trip, and these are just some of my clothes.
Okay. Look at all of this. Look, this thing is as big as me. Can we see this?
I got a box fan and a body pillow, because this is a noisemaker, and you got to have something to snuggle with, right?
Oh, and here's Shelby. They kind of did send us a little bit supervised.
Yeah. Shelby's there.
How are we going to do this? Hey, Shelby.
I'm the body pillow now.
Well, we're going on a one-night trip and we're packed to the brim. Yes!
Let's do it.
Here we go.
All right, y'all, in case you were wondering, Ivy and I met almost 2 years ago now. So we both work at Southern Living Magazine, and that's how we became friends.
We are going all the way from Birmingham to Natchitoches, Louisiana.
That's right, yep.
With a pit stop in Jackson, Mississippi. Mostly because it's also the biggest city that we're going through.
Yeah.
But guess what is in Jackson?
What is?
One of the diners that was on the hill. It's at Brent's Drugs, and so we're gonna stop there.
Go check it out.
I know, it's like an old time
like a soda
fountain.
shop. Yeah, I love that.
Chocolate milkshake and fries.
I want onion rings.
Ooh!
It's really good.
That's one of the best milkshakes I've ever had. Do it for the gram.
Phone eats first.
So I am so excited to be doing this road trip because I can't tell you how many times I watched Steel Magnolias growing up as a little girl.
So many.
Yeah, so many times. And this house in Natchitoches, Louisiana is actually the house that Shelby's reception was at in the movie, where they had all the Christmas parties. And from what I understand, each room is named after a certain character.
Oh yeah, we all know about Steel Magnolias, for real. Girls in the South, it's a staple.
I grew up in a small town right outside of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, so I am a Louisiana girl, and this movie, just seeing the characters from Louisiana and their accents, and you know, the whole thing is so exciting. Can you pass us the road trip essential bag? Oh my gosh.
First off, it's monogrammed.
All right, I don't know what's in here, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Here we go.
So, popcorn, because we're gonna be in a bed and breakfast, and we're gonna watch Steel Magnolias, of course, tonight when we get to the bed and
You
breakfast.
can't not watch Steel Magnolias when you're staying at the Steel Magnolia bed and breakfast.
Duh.
All right.
Ibuprofen. Neosporin in case you get a cut. What is that?
You can never have enough.
2 of them, at least.
2 phone cords.
Minimum. I brought my hot rollers.
All right, guys, we are crossing into Louisiana.
We're on the Mississippi River.
We're on the Mississippi River Bridge.
Oh, Louisiana!
And the name of the song.
Shoulder ahead.
Animal, watch out! Animal on shoulder ahead. Thank you, Waze.
Y'all, Waze has taken us through some back roads of Louisiana. There is no Walmart in sight. We're about 45 minutes away from the Steel Magnolias bed and breakfast, and we are driving through little neighborhoods in Louisiana.
Saline.
Is that where we are? Oh.
If you are from here, please tell us how to pronounce it correctly.
All right, guys. Quick pit stop at, where are we? Phillips 66. But we need coffee.
Oh gosh, I spilled it all over me.
It's all right. Malfunctions happen.
I have napkins in my emergency kit, Shelby. Wet ones also work. Okay, we're clean. We're good.
All right. Here we go. We're pulling in, guys.
Oh my gosh, it's here! Here we go.
Oh my gosh. It looks just like the movie.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Oh, it's beautiful.
We're here.
We made it.
We're at the sign. It says Steel Magnolia House Bed and Breakfast.
Yes.
7 hours in the car.
And it all paid off. These are the steps that Jackson and Shelby came down after the reception.
Oh yeah, they walked down.
They walked down right here.
Pink suit. That's me. Okay, let's go show them.
Come on.
We're in.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. Okay, this is the very beginning scene of the movie. Well, one of the first scenes.
Yes.
Where Shelby is running down the stairs, freaking out because her nail polish color is incorrect.
It's too dark.
We're reenacting the scene now,
Yes.
basically.
So Shelby comes down those stairs and runs through this way to the
In
kitchen.
the kitchen, which is this way.
And Melinda's upset because all of the dishes are broken that she got for the wedding.
Every single one of them.
Yeah, and Shelby comes through these two doors right here.
To go here, and she stops.
Yes.
With this in the background.
Mm-hmm.
Later on in the scene, Malin gets ice thrown down her shirt by her two crazy sons.
Yes.
She's on the phone calling people.
Mm-hmm.
The cake is coming in and out of the door that's behind us, and then Shelby, in a rage, runs up the stairs.
Mom, the window polish is wet.
This is so cool. Okay. We are in the backyard, currently behind us,
This is right behind the house.
where they filmed the shooting the bird scene at the very beginning of the movie.
Y'all, this is crazy. I've watched this movie since I was 4 years old, and now we're standing where Drum shot the birds out of the tree.
Literally right here.
Right here, guys.
In this tree. So,
We've had dinner, we've gotten cleaned up.
and for all of you 1.5 million Southern Living subscribers, we got beautiful. I am in the signature Steel Magnolias hot rollers.
Yep, and we both have on face masks. So you can't stay a night at the Steel Magnolias bed and breakfast and not watch Steel Magnolias.
In the literal room where all of it went down.
Yeah, in the actual house they filmed it. So that's what we're gonna do.
All of our favorite scenes, all of our favorite quotes.
It's going down.
Girls' night. I've got the power. Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers. Where are the scissors that I back when you need them? Oh my gosh, y'all. We're at this house.
Oh my gosh. That's right where we were earlier. I love Weezer.
And the pool. The
And the
pool's
pool.
in it. Everyone has rollers in their hair, so Have you ever heard the saying, the higher the hair, the closer to God?
I have.
That's what I feel about this movie.
My colors are blush and bashful, Mama.
Okay,
Time out. We've got to talk about the groom's cake.
time out. Bleeding armadillo cake.
Bleeding armadillo groom's cake. Y'all.
What?
That's what really melts my butter.
Is this the sad part? So, last video before we go to bed.
Yes, we're exhausted. 7-hour road
So
trip.
tired. An exhausting emotional movie.
Yes, we're ready for bed.
Yeah, in the
So-
query room.
Yep, so we're peacing out, and we'll catch you in the morning.
Night.
Good night, y'all.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. We've gotten a full night rest. It's day 2.
We're ready.
We're feeling good.
It smells like bacon downstairs, and breakfast is at 9. We're right on time.
Yeah,
So we're gonna head down the stairs and go sit in the dining room.
Get some good food.
Mhm.
Yep, let's do it. Don't fall out of me.
That'd be terrible.
Oh my gosh.
Look at it.
This is so cute. Look, guys. our whole little setup. We got some orange juice, some
All
fresh
the
fruit.
jams in the world.
All the jams we could possibly want.
Magnolia napkin rings, of course.
I love it. Let's dig in.
Okay.
Here we got bacon, eggs, grits. It's coffee, of course.
Pinkies up, Jory.
Pinkies up.
I don't want to burn you. Okay. Look at these.
Magnolia napkin rings.
They're so cute.
So cute and so on theme. Mama Rose has prepared a delicious meal for us.
With the special edition that is not normal, meat pies.
Show them, Ivy. Oh, I have them.
We had meat pies last night, but apparently
These are
going to be
homemade by Mama Rose.
epic.
All right, here we go.
Empanada. Thoughts?
Oh my wow.
Oh my wow. We're with Mama Rose. She made us this amazing meat pies and all of our breakfast. It was so yummy.
So good.
Thank you so much.
Thank y'all.
Have you been making those meat pies for a long time?
I have. I was married. I've been married for 60 years, and when I got married, I started making meat pies, and I've been making them ever since.
Well, you are a pro.
They were so yummy.
Thank you, Mama Rose.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
I'd like to point this out. Clary. So this is Clary's room.
It's beautiful. This poster bed, I love it.
Yeah, and they gave us Clary's room because apparently it has the best bathroom in the whole house.
Okay, there is so much room in here.
Yes.
I think the thing I love most about this bathroom though, Jory, is the skylight.
Yeah, totally. The skylight is over the jacuzzi tub, and it's just like the perfect little setting.
I know.
That's about it for Clary's room. So that was our room that we stayed in last night, but we want to take you guys to Shelby's room.
The best room, I think, in my opinion. I mean, we love Clary, but
Shelby's room's iconic. So we're gonna
is.
take you there and show you some really cool stuff. Let's do it.
I love this room. I dressed in my blush and bashful again today because I love Shelby.
Y'all, this room, just like they say in the movie, it looks like it's been showered with Pepto-Bismol.
So the wallpaper, the bed, and the curtains are all original from the movie.
I want that bed for my room. It's so old school and it has so much character.
Love it.
That's it. We're gonna go
To the church.
to the church. We're gonna go to Truby's beauty shop.
Claire, maybe
me?
Clary's house? I'm
Yes.
not really sure.
We
what
don't really
all's
know
on
where
the
we're
store.
going, but we're gonna take you guys along.
We're so excited.
Okay, before we go, of course, we have to sign the guest book. Ivy's trying to turn on the lamp.
I know I am. We're at Truby.
This is Truby's beauty shop. We are wigging out.
It looks exactly like it did in the movie, y'all.
This is actually a private residence now, so we can't stay too long
I
because we
know,
don't
we
want to
don't
freak
wanna
out the homeowners.
Too close.
Yes, but this is Truby's beauty shop.
So we're at the cemetery where they filmed, obviously, the funeral scene. We don't really feel like it's appropriate to video inside the cemetery
Right.
because it is an actual cemetery. But it is a fun fact that this is the oldest cemetery in the Louisiana Purchase. It says it was established in 1737.
All right, y'all, we are at St. Augustine Catholic Church where Shelby was married.
Okay, so it is not decorated the same way that it was whenever they filmed the movie here.
No blush and bashful.
No blush, no drapes, no flowers, but it's still just as beautiful.
All right, we're gonna get this 18-wheeler to honk at us. Did he see you? Yes, he got it!
So much fun, but 14 hours in the car,
That's a lot in 2 days.
tell me about it.
We are exhausted, so we're gonna go take a nap, but y'all should go watch Steel Magnolias for the 30th anniversary.
Yes. If you loved our road trip, which we did,
Yeah.
and you want us to do more, tell us in the comments where you want us to go next.
Yeah, we'll go to anywhere in the South you want.
But in the meantime, you can follow us on Instagram at Ivy Odom.
I'm at jory.nicole.
And if you liked Hey Y'all, y'all know what to do. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you're watching on YouTube,
Click that bell.
we'll see you next time on Hey Y'all.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
That's a wrap! That's it! Woo!